express Q in terms of P and R. When it says express Q, it means Q is the subject. So what? Okay, look at Q. Where's Q? Q is here. Okay, so what you need to do, first thing, you need to leave Q over there and then move all other than Q to the left side, okay? Okay, so first thing, you bring positive 3 to the left and it becomes negative 3. Okay, after that, you bring r squared plus 5 to the left and it becomes multiplication, multiply. Okay, and then bring negative 7 to the right, it becomes positive 7. Okay, now you can open the bracket. And then you will get okay, you can rearrange. And then you can factor r squared. Okay, now square root q, you just only want q, you don't want square root of q. So square root, you move to the left, it becomes square. The answer is D. Okay, question 12. Which of the following is a linear equation in two variables? When it says linear, it means the highest power is 1. And then when it says two variables, it means two different letters. And then for the power, all must be integer. It means whole numbers. The answer is D. Okay, A is wrong because the highest power is 2. It's quadratic, not linear. And then B is wrong because Y, when you change square root of Y, it becomes Y1 over 2. So it's not integer. And then this one, when you change, it becomes... So power of -1 is not integer. Okay, number 13. Diagram 4 shows a histogram of the distance traveled to school by Form 5 students in SMK Kampung Baru. And the question asks you, find the mean in kilometer of distance traveled by all students. Okay, so what is the formula to find mean? Summation of fx over f. F means frequency and x means midpoint. So how to find midpoint? Lower boundary plus with upper boundary and you divide with 2. And here is lower bound. Okay, this one is the lower boundary. Okay, lower for the first data. And this one is the upper boundary. Okay, to make it easier for you, you can draw a table like this. First, you list out all frequencies and then find the midpoint, the lower boundary plus with upper boundary divide by 2, and then you can multiply f with x, and then you will get the summation of fx is equal to 1940 divided by total frequencies 160. And when you calculate, you'll get the answer 12.125. Okay. Equation 14. Diagram 5 shows a circle with center O. JKL is a tangent to the circle at point K. Okay, so for this question, you can refer to textbook Form 3, page 165. For this one, in order for you to answer this question, you need to memorize the circle's property or characteristic. Okay, 58 over there, same with the angle of N. Okay. Okay, and then, as you can see, when the radius meets the tangent, the angle will be 90 degree. Okay, so to get the remaining angle, you need to minus 90 minus 58. Then you will get 32 degree. And then O to M is also a radius. So it means the length is same. So we call this one as isosceles triangle. Meaning both angles are same. 32 and 32. Okay, now you want to find the angle of O below there. 180 minus with 32 and minus with another 32, you will get 116. Okay, and then because it's circle, you want to find the angle of O, the above one. So 360 minus with 116, then you will get 244. Okay. Okay, now teacher will draw the polygon that you need to find. Okay, for these properties, x up there will same with the x below there. Okay, now we count the side of polygon, irregular polygon. So all have 4 sides. It means the total angles are 360, and because x we have 2, so it means 2x equal to 360 minus 58 minus 244, and then you will get and the answer is C. Okay, question 15. This one you need to read carefully the question. It says, Mr. Wais bought 4 units of smartphone J and 3 units of smartphone K with 1/4p plus 3q discount from each of the purchase of the smartphones. Given that the price of smartphone K is cheaper than smartphone J, so when it says cheaper, it means K less than J. Find the total difference in discount in RM obtained by Mr. Wais in terms of P and Q. Okay, so first you need to times 4 times with 4p. Okay, now why you times with 1 over 100? Because you want to convert the percentage symbol into fraction. Then you need to factorize. Because we have same term here. This one, this one. Okay, factor both of them. Bring in front. Okay, this one why you get 16p, because you times 4 times 4p. Okay, for this one, you need to, when you want to minus the fraction, you need to make sure the denominator, the below there must be same. So what you can do cross multiplication that you learned during primary school. Okay, from this, you will get This one you learn during Form 2, factorization. Because this one same, so you can cancel. Then your answer will be 4p minus 3q over 100 pq. And the answer is B. Okay, question 60. Diagram 7 shows two identical circles with center T and U respectively. Given that PQ equal to RS, okay, PQ equal to RS equal to 16. It means this one 8, this one also 8. And MT equal to 6. This one 6. Okay, find the length in cm of M. And okay, in order for you to know MN, so MN means you need to plus MN equal to MT plus TU plus UN. So MT you know 6. Now you need to know TU. Okay, UN also you know 6. Okay, how to find TU? We need to find the radius. It means we need to find the value of PT here. Because PT is the radius. How to find PT? We need to do Pythagoras theorem. So teacher will draw here. This one 8, this one 6. And this one X. Or we can label as PT. Okay, because PT is the longest line, it means it is hypotenuse. So we need to plus. So PT is equal to 10. It means TU also 10. So 6 plus 10 plus 6, then you will get 22 cm. The answer is C. Okay, now question 17. Okay, diagram 8 shows two congruent trapezium JKLM and PQRS. So this one it rotates 90 degree clockwise. Meaning this one equal to 7, 10, 16, and then it says MN equal to 8 cm. Given MN equal to 8 cm, find the area in cm square of the shaded region. So how to find the shaded region? Area of trapezium JKLM minus area of triangle JMN. Okay, so 1/2 times with the parallel side, 7 plus 16 times with the height, and minus with 1/2. Okay, now for this triangle, you need to know the base. Okay, which is JN. You then time with the height E. So how to find JN? Okay, JN equal to 10 square, because 10 is the longest one, so minus with the shorter. This is we learned during Form 1 Pythagoras theorem. You get 6. It means JN is equal to 6. Okay, and then you calculate. You will get 115 minus 24. And the final answer is 91 cm square. So it's B. Okay, next question. Diagram 6 shows two cubes of different sizes. It is given that 64 cubes S needed to completely fill tube T. Meaning T equal to 64S. Okay, so first we find volume of S first. So this one V equal to 3 times 3 times 3, then you will get 27 cm cube. Okay, how about the giant one? V equal to, maybe we can say this one V1 and this one V2 equal to. Okay, we don't know exactly the width, the length, and the height, but we know the total volume is equal to. Okay, we can find the volume of V2 here. How to find it? 27 times with 64. 27 times with 64, and then you will get 1708. Okay, and then from that, you can calculate the side, the length of the side for V2. And you get the answer for each side is equal to 12 cm. Okay? So the question asks you to find total surface area. So the formula for the total surface area, meaning this one 12, 12, and 12. So for the total surface area for the cube, 6 times with the width and the length. 12 times 12. Then you will get So the answer is C. Okay, question 19. Okay, for this one, you need to draw a bit to get some pictures about the movement. It's given that Q, coordinate of Q is equal to 4H, and this is the image of P, G negative 1 under reflection in the line Y equal to 2. Find the value of G and of H. Okay, you draw. Okay, how to make it easy for you? Okay, you take this one. This one equal to negative 1, right? Okay, you draw the reflection line first. Reflection line is here. Let's say it's here. This is the reflection line. Okay, 2. And then you have negative 1 somewhere here. And then this one 0. Okay, and then you count. 1, 2, 3, because this one 1. So it means it moves 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. So here is 5. It means H is equal to 5. So the answer is A. Okay, question 20. It is given that event X and Y are mutually exclusive events if probability of X equal to 0.25 and probability of Y equal to 0.35. Calculate the probability X union Y. Okay, when it says mutually exclusive event, it means both cannot occur at the same time. Okay, as example, single coin toss. Okay, so when you toss a coin, you will get a result either head or tail. It cannot be both. Okay, how to find this one? P and then 0.25 plus 0.35. And the answer is C.